Okay, so this is just a very quick video just to show you how you can work out the length of um, studs for a raking wall, like you might have if you have a lean-to roof or a verge or a gable where you're trying to fill in the end. But just a very quick method of working out the length for each of these studs. And all you need to know is the length of your first stud, the length of your last stud, and obviously how many studs you need in between. So to get started, as I said, obviously when you go to make your wall, you're going to know what the length of this first stud is, or the height of your wall needs to be. So remember, you need to take off the thickness of your top stud, thickness of your bottom stud to give you the length of your first stud. And similarly, hopefully you're going to know what the height of your low end is, and you can work out the length of the stud on that end. So then all you need to do is take these two studs. Firstly, you need to work out how many studs you need in between. So just divide it by your spacing. In this case, I've gone 600, and I'm working off the long point of the stud at all times. So from this edge of the stud to the same edge of my next stud is 600 mil. And I've done that all the way down. So I actually end up with 9 studs in between the two I've already got. So I'm going to take the two I've already got and 9 others, put them on my saw stools. So here's my long stud, here's my shortest stud, and I've got 9 in between. Make sure the other end is nice and square. And then all we have to do is draw a line from the long point of this stud to the long point of our shortest stud. Across like that. Then we need to take our angle, which we would have got when we set up our two studs anyway. Transfer them from the long point, so where that line hits the long side of our studs, we just transfer that angle across. Then we can cut them all to length, and we should then be able to put them into the wall, and they should all fit perfectly with the long point of the stud on the side of that we marked for our spacing. So as I said, 600 mil from here to here, here to here, here to here, etc. That's just a very quick trick, if you like, that I saw on this old house on how to cut the varying length studs that we need in a stud wall without needing to measure every single one of them. So that's a pretty good trick.